this tutorial, I will showing how to counting cells within a specified range that meet a criteria or any condition, such as dates, number, text, and other condition that are you specify. So first count by countif for meet a single criteria. Let's suppose here are different fruits name with different name, and from here I want to count total number of any fruits like apple. Very simply called countif. Select range, then select criteria or type criteria like this, double quotes, apple, double quotes, enter. Now see that here are total number of apple counts. You can also doing another way. Insert function, select countif, select range, select your criteria, and OK. Total number of apple are counts. Change another one. See here also counts for another criteria. You can also count another like number or any other specific. So countif help to quickly count any specific criteria from a big cell range in Excel with simply. Now I showing counting by countifs function in cells that meet one or multiple criteria. Let's suppose I want to count total number of any fruits like apple from more than one criteria from this range, called countifs. Select criteria, range, then select criteria or type criteria like this, double quotes, apple, double quotes, comma, select another criteria range, then select or type another criteria and enter for return value. Now see that here are total number of apple counts by using more than one criteria. You can also doing another way. Insert function, select countifs, select criteria range, select criteria, then select another criteria range and another criteria. You can also set more criteria and OK for return value. So COUNTIF and COUNTIFS formula to find out how many cells in your worksheet contain a number from one or more than one range criteria. Both formula also supports logical operator for count greater than, lesser than value, and Wilkers for partial matching. Thanks for watching. Hope these are helpful for you. You can share with others for helping, and subscribe my channel to see more view in future.